Good afternoon. So today we are going to learn about punctuation marks. You know what are the punctuation marks? हिंदी में जिनको बोलते हैं विराम चिन्ह. What we call in Hindi? विराम चिन्ह. So what is the definition of punctuation mark? Punctuation mark in English language help the reader to understand a sentence through visual means other than just the letters of the alphabet. Okay, here punctuation mark definition. अब there are many punctuation mark in English. For example, what is this?
Full stop.
What is this?
Comma.
What is this?
Colon.
What is this?
Semicolon.
What is this?
Exclamation mark.
What is this?
Question mark.
And what is this?
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe. And what is this?
Inverted comma.
Like that. So we will learn about these punctuation marks. So let's start.
Definition of punctuation mark. Punctuation mark are very important in all languages. Punctuation. Punctuation.
Punctuation.
Punctuation. Punctuation mark are full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, question mark, inverted comma, dash, hyphen, and exclamation mark.
Okay. Next.
Use of the full stop.
Use of full stop.
It is used end of the sentence.
It is used at the end of the sentence. Last में use किया जाता है जब sentence पूरा होता है.
Use of full stop. I went to go.
Example.
Example. I went go to the beach.
I want to go to the beach. Full stop.
Example of full stop. She is a good girl. Full stop.
She is a good girl. Full stop.
Definition of comma.
Use of comma. When we use comma.
एक ही part of speech
के कई शब्द
के कई शब्द एक के बाद एक आए तो उसके बाद कॉमा आता है.
जब एक ही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के शब्द बार बार आए तो हम उस सब के बाद में कॉमा लगाते हैं, लेकिन लास्ट वाला जो होता है उससे पहले एंड का यूज करते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Example of comma. Shivam, comma, what are you doing?
शिवम कॉमा व्हाट आर यू डूइंग क्वेश्चन मार्क. नेक्स्ट.
Example of comma. I like apple, orange, comma, and guava.
आई लाइक.
Use of colon. Colon is used, introduced exclamation.
एक्सप्लेनेशन.
The selected boy, colon mark, J and Tarun J. Full stop. Colon example. We have two choices. Work hard or fall. Full stop.
और वी हैव टू चॉइसेस वर्क हार्ड और फेल.
Use of semicolon. It is used between two parts of a sentence, usually when each of a two parts from grammatical sentence. Example of semicolon. Come must, semicolon, go just.
कम मस्ट गो जस्ट. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेमीकोलन.
Example of semicolon. John drive a Ferrari. Semicolon. Mary drive a Thar.
यूज ऑफ.
Use of question mark. It is used at the end of a question when somebody asks something.
If somebody asks any question, then we will put question.
Example of a question mark. Where are you going? Question mark.
Example of question mark. How are you? Question mark.
Example of
question mark. Have you gone mad? Question mark.
Have you gone mad?
Exclamation mark. It is used to express strong emotion.
It is used to express strong emotions. Exclamation mark.
Example first. Wow! Exclamation mark. That
Wow, that amazing. Oh,
Example second, or exclamation mark. What a beautiful house.
oh, what a beautiful house.
Use of hyphen. It is used in compound words.
Hyphen is used in compound words or noun. Like, for example,
Father hyphen in hyphen law.
father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law. Yes. Example.
Use of hyphen. It is used in compound words. Father hyphen in hyphen law.
Father-in-law. Okay. Example.
Example of hyphen. One hyphen third. One third.
Okay.
Example of hyphen. 20 hyphen 5.
Okay. What is the difference between hyphen and dash? Hyphen is short mark, and dash is longer.
Use of dash to introduce many by one syllable.
To introduce it.
Many by one syllable. Example of dash it was when he dash everyone enjoyed.
It was fun. Everyone enjoyed.
Example of India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, USA dash all and are suffering from
Terrorism. India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, USA all are suffering from terrorism. आतंकवाद से जुड़े हैं. Next. उनका वीडियो तो बना देता खड़े करके वैसे ही. हाँ.
Inverted comma.
Inverted comma. Use of inverted comma.
The inverted comma is used to tell a word in a specific way.
To tell a word in a specific way. For example.
Example, he said inverted comma I am fine inverted comma.
He said, "I am fine." Inverted commas.
Example of inverted comma. He said inverted comma I am fine inverted comma.
Next.
It is applied to show that something belongs to someone or something.
दोबारा बोल. Use of अपने वैसे बोल.
Use
थोड़ा
of
नीचे करके मुंह नहीं दिख रहा.
apostrophe. It is applied to show that something belongs to someone or something.
Okay. किसी के साथ संबंध दिखाने के लिए पोजीशन बिलोंगिंगनेस शो करने के लिए अपोस्ट्रोफी का यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल.
Example of apostrophe. Sheshraj apostrophe tab.
शेषराज टैब यानी शेषराज का टैब. हाँ. और आदित्य टी-शर्ट. आदित्य की टी-शर्ट. आदित्य.
Use of inverted comma.
पीछे लिखे हुए.
To tell a word in a specific way.
To tell a word in a specific way, we use inverted commas. Very good. Next इधर. हाँ.
These are punctuation marks.
These are punctuation marks.
These are comma.
Comma, hyphen, dash, semicolon, colon, question mark, full stop. So we have learned punctuation mark. What is punctuation mark? Punctuation mark help the readers, यानी जो पढ़ने वाले बच्चे होते हैं, जो पढ़ रहा है उसको, जो रीडर्स होते हैं उनकी हेल्प करता है किस चीज में, सेंटेंस को समझने में, किस तरीके से उसका विजुअल मीनिंग समझने में मदद करता है. Not just the letters of the alphabet. केवल अल्फाबेटिक लेटर नहीं, बल्कि उनका मीनिंग क्या वास्तव में वो समझने में पंक्चुएशन मार्क हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं पंक्चुएशन मार्क? फुल स्टॉप, कॉमा, सेमीकोलन, कोलन, क्वेश्चन मार्क, हाइफन, डैश, अपोस्ट्रोफी, इनवर्टेड कॉमा. तो कैसा लगा? तालियां हो जाए आपकी.